It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2017 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X in silver, black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and about a 5-foot box. You've got this nice tonneau cover. You have a sliding rear window, moonroof, roof racks and rails, and a trailer tow hitch, as well as many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 4-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered, and you have the nice Frontier Pro 4X mats that are badged. And then actually your mirror controls are here, hill descent, and cargo lamp. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have hands-free dialing, your volume, and your media mode, and as well you have your cruise control. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and in the center we have our display screen. So it's just powering up there. There's a CD player, AM, FM, satellite radio, and then you've got the nav map there, so you can go in and choose your options, and then you can zoom in and mark your destination as to what you want to do. And then you also have your backup camera view here. So I put the vehicle in reverse. We're going to see behind us. Green, yellow, red is just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles, and that's right off the back bumper there. Let's put that back. And then you've got your dual climate control, and you're seeing the digital readout there, and that's where your controls are, your AC, your front defrost. You have heated side view mirrors, and then your hazard lights are located there. There's your 4x4, and you've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, traction control, and then you've got your locking diff, automatic shifter, emergency parking brakes right beside you, a couple of cup holders. The armrest opens up and you got lots of room in there, and then you have an auto dimming rear view mirror as well. You've got your lighting controls, and then you've got the power light control switch located there, and then this is the button for the moonroof, and it's powered. Your screen is manually adjusted, so you can pull that across if you don't want as much light, and there's a grab handle off to the side, and that just makes it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap, and you have a nice little tonneau cover, and the black handle just above it is where your lock is located, and just below it is where your backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper. You also have a trailer tow hitch, and then when you're ready to open it up, just put your hand in the latch. Comes right down, it's a nice lined box, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, and you also have power windows, grab handle in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You have the armrest in the center here. I'm just going to pop it up, and then you bring the little handle here up, and then you can lift up the seat. And this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for me because I'm only using one hand. And just give me a second. The seat's now in the upright position, and you've got a place to put things. And I'm going to bring the seat back down. It's just simply pushing the handle back up again, and then it'll bring it right down. You have carpeted mats on the floor, and in the center you have a couple of cup holders. There's a moonroof in the front, hooks and handles off to the side, lighting up top, and in the back, access to a window that slides open. Trailer hitch in the rear, tonneau cover, about a 5-foot box that's lined, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rack and rails, adjustable side view mirrors that are heated, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.